Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I am just sharing a video where I sit down and prep for a month ahead. Now when I do this, it's usually when I've got one of those blah kind of days, and that's where I'm at right now. So this is my project planner and I use it like this. So this is a classic vertical that I have taken into a checklist style planner. And all I do is I write the project here, the checklist of things I need to do that project, and then these will be things that I need to do on the day. So it's kind of like preparing ahead. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now, I will say I am doing this because I'm not feeling that great. I'm not feeling that great. My kidneys are not happy today. If you don't know, I have chronic kidney disease. I have polycystic kidney disease. So I have woken up with blah kidneys. So yes, what I thought was, because this is for November, and again, if I have a day like this or I have a spare hour where I'm just not feeling like I want to think about things, this is what I do. I plan ahead. So I'm going to use two washies. These are ones that Rebecca sent me. She sent me a little goodie box. So I've got some fall washi here. We've got like boots, like umbrellas, like cozy sweaters and stuff like that. And then I've got a one to match. And I think because I like to do the same thing, like a strip here, a strip here, and a strip here. And I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to do that, and we're going to move on, and that is what we're going to do. But I'm just going to show you how you can change your vertical into a checklist. So if you have a spare, and I say this all the time, but out-of-date planners are really ideal to pick up for something like this. So if you had a project planner, maybe it's a work planner, maybe it's, I don't know, social media or whatever. And all I've done is I've taken this washi and I've cut it. I've cut it lengthways into thinner strips because, you know, I just like a little thinner, a little thinnerness. I just like something a little thinner there. So I'm going to do one page with you, and then I will do the rest and then come back and show you the whole thing. But this is what I've been doing, and it's really helped me with my squirrel brain to stay on track with my squirrel brain. I just realized that I have another sheet there. Don't need that sheet. So these are kind of what I would call my rainy day projects. The ones where they don't require a lot of brain work and I can just sit, get my fix, if you like. Yes, I think that's very, yes. It doesn't feel very fall. This doesn't feel very fall, but it matches. So we're going to go with it. Do you know what I might want to do? Hang on. I might want to put another, oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I just want to put that there as well. We'll put another one there just to give it a little bit of continuity. There we go. That makes all the difference. Does it? I don't know. To me it does. And as you have seen in that other page, all I do is use the checklist stencil and some pens, and then I'm good. And I got this pen. I'm feeling this kind of peachy. I think we're going to go with it. So I just do a little thing here, a little thing here, and a little thing here. And then I have a little checklist. Okay, then I'm going to take, this is the Pilot G2 0.38, and this is the Happy Planner Check It Off stencil. And this is how you turn your vertical into a checklist. Now, it doesn't have to be the Happy Planner one. I'm sure there are other checklisty type stencils, and you may even have some in your stash. But this is what I'm enjoying right now. Again, it's just stuff that I can do on one of those days where I just don't feel 100%. Because every layout is going to be the same this month. I generally use the same washi tape, the same pens, so that I don't have to think. So that I don't have to think. And I kind of like it. I'm going to say seasonal E. Seasonal E. So like for October, I did all black and I think it was black and silver. And then what I did for September was purple. So yeah, it's weird. It's weird to me how I like different things in different planners. This makes sense to do it all the same. My tarot planner makes sense to do it all the same. If I try that in my wellness, my journal, or my catch-all, and do the same thing for the whole month, I don't. By the end of week 2, I'm not using my planner. Don't ask me why. I don't know. And I guess this actually fits the Planner Stash Challenge for September to use stencils. So, hurrah. And then what I do is I take the pen just so that it has a little bit of that colour throughout. I don't know why, that just feels good to me, but it does. And then I put generally about 5 in here. 5 is like a good number. And that's just things that I have to do on that specific day. Usually like pre-planning for the weeks ahead. Let's say if it's the 4th, then this day I'll be working on this or something like that. Like it's a pre-work ahead kind of thing. Then here, I generally put, I'm going to put it in a thicker pen. Hang on, I need to find my thick pen. This is the Tombow for Denisuke. Email, Etsy, and this could be to do or something like that, but I'm going to put tasks. And that is how you easily turn an expired vertical planner into a catch-all project planner. So yes. All right, and this is the finished product. I mean, again, most of the days are the same. This is from the washi tape shop. I don't remember which one it is. If I remember, I will link it down below. And yeah, so okay, that's the 31st of October, first week of November, 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 November. And then I will go into December, change my washi tape, change my colors, and then that is it. Super simple way to decorate and change your vertical into a task list project planner, or even an hourly, because you could just do this and do the whole way down for an hourly planner, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.